Have you ever felt like you're leaving money on the table just by not knowing all the benefits your bank accounts offer? It's true. A lot of people only use the basic functions of their bank accounts, but if you bank with Regions, you're missing out on some powerful, built-in ways to grow your savings automatically and even earn bonuses. Regions Bank isn't just a place to deposit your paycheck, it provides smart tools to help you reach your financial goals faster. Today, we're breaking down the top tips for leveraging your Regions bank accounts to maximize your savings. The first and most effective tip: automate your savings. If you have a Regions checking account, make sure you link it to a LifeGreen savings account. Why? Because consistency is key, and Regions rewards it. By setting up automatic monthly transfers, even just $10, from your checking to your LifeGreen savings in at least 10 of the 12 months before your account anniversary, you create an effortless savings habit. The big payoff? You get an opportunity to earn an annual savings bonus of up to $100. That's free money, simply for building a good financial habit. Next, make your debit card work for you with the Spend and Save program. This is one of the easiest ways to save without feeling it. When you enroll your checking account, you select an amount, from 50 cents to $5, to be transferred to your savings account every time you make a purchase with your Regions Visa debit card. Every cup of coffee, every grocery trip, it all results in a small, automatic transfer to your savings. It's a great way to find money you didn't even know you were saving. Third, use My Green Insights to track and budget. Regions online and mobile banking tools, like My Green Insights, give you a clear, visual picture of where your money is going. You can automatically categorize your spending, create budgets, and set up alerts. By seeing your spending habits clearly, you can identify areas to cut back and then redirect that extra money into your savings account. A penny saved is a penny you can automate. Finally, avoid fees to keep more of your money. Fees chip away at your savings, so understanding how to waive them is crucial. For example, the LifeGreen savings account has no monthly fee if you maintain a linked Regions checking account. For other accounts, like the Regions savings account, you can often waive the monthly fee by maintaining a minimum daily balance. Always check the specific requirements for your accounts to ensure every dollar you earn stays in your pocket. By using the auto transfer bonus, enrolling in the Spend and Save program, and utilizing the digital budgeting tools, you transform your everyday banking into a powerful, automated savings engine. These small, smart moves today lead to significant financial confidence tomorrow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.